Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a call if you guys are looking to improve your credit score, lower your car payment, buy a car, trade in a car. If you're looking to purchase your first home, if you're looking to purchase a rental property, we can help you. Give us a call today, 877-205-7771. Talk to you guys soon, and thanks again.
Hello everyone, this is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of A50 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today we're going to talk about the Indigo credit card, all right? So many of you may not even have gotten an email or an offer in the mail about the Indigo credit card, but let's go ahead and just talk about it for a second. So Indigo normally comes around the credit scores of anywhere between 550 to about 620. Of course, higher if you're looking for a credit card. You're more than likely going to get this as an offer. So Indigo is not necessarily a bad credit card to have. It's more so just setting the right expectations. So let's go straight into it. As we know, a lot of credit cards have a lot of ways that they do certain things. So it's natural to think that they're going to your credit, that they're going to give you credit limit increases, that there may or may not be an annual fee, and then to expect the interest rate of about 22, 23, 24%, somewhere in that range, right? So now with this particular credit card, it normally comes around the same time that First Premier, First Progress, let's say Capital One, Credit One, but let's say that you are getting those offers, you're more than likely going to get that offer as well too. So why are we doing this video? Well, to help you prepare for the expectations. Number one, they don't do credit limit increases. I know, sounds crazy, don't know why, but again, I truly think it's truly a starter credit card. Okay, now that doesn't mean if you have one to close it. That just means that maybe later down the line, consider, to ask yourself, should I keep this particular card because there is no growth with it, right? Let's be honest, I mean, if you find yourself in a financial emergency, you want to buy an emergency plane ticket, you got an emergency bill that just happened, something just happened with your car, your house, whatever, right? If you swipe that card, let's be honest, a $300 limit, a lot of things cost over $100, so you're gonna be well over 30%, just by using the card on a basic purchase. Okay, so I would only recommend keeping the card if you're seeing this video and you've already had it for quite some time. Quite some time is like more than a year, maybe more than 2 years, somewhere in that range. But if you just got it, and then you're starting to get better premium offers, such as, even Capital One, I consider Capital One at least a step above the rest, just because, you can add 5 authorized users, there's credit limit increases, there's no annual fee, so that's at least the beginning tier. But when you start getting like Bank of America, Chase, American Express, Citibank, you guys know the names, right? Discover. When you start seeing those in the mail, you can easily swap that card out. What I mean by swap that out, you can close it and then open a brand new one, okay? But again, to set the expectations, you're more than likely going to pay an annual fee. You're more than likely going to get depending on what your what your score is when you get approved. But again, you won't get credit limit increase. I think that's the biggest thing, because that card cannot grow with you, and because of that, a lot of people are now starting to get rid of that card. Again, I would hate for them to reach out to me and say you're bad mouthing the company. I promise you I'm not. I'm just stating the facts. That's what it is. And compared to other companies, even Credit One, I mean, come on, you can get credit limit increases with them. Now, Credit One, sometimes they'll charge you for a credit limit increase, so watch out for that. Now, this is where Indigo would make sense. Let's say, for example, you're rebuilding your credit, but you had a relationship with Capital One, with First Premier, with Credit One, with First Progress. So it's not a lot of options to rebuild your credit. Of course, they're going to stop in and be an offer for you. At that point, you really can't be picky on who you're going to build a relationship with, because all of the other relationships are now tarnished and you have to rebuild with someone. That's when Indigo is going to be an option for you. But other than that, I'm telling you, you can easily grow and start using, other cards, other options, things of that sort. So just wanted to drop that by you guys. I'm going to start doing more, not necessarily individual credit card updates, but just more so what to expect, when you get the credit cards, because we get so many credit card offers in the mail, email, all these types of things. And sometimes we just don't talk about specific credit cards, and we're never promoting or demoting. It's just giving the facts. Okay, so if you like this video, like it, you want to share it, and as always, be sure to subscribe, as we have nothing but great content on the way. Thank you all so much. Have a great day.